Hello beautiful, and welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Today we will see how coffee can be a powerful anti-aging mask that will make you look 10 years younger. In a world captivated by youth, we often seek external solutions to combat the visible signs of time. But what if the true fountain of youth lies within the heart of nature's bounty? DIY anti-aging masks offer a holistic approach to skincare, harnessing the potency of natural ingredients to revitalize and rejuvenate our skin. These masks are not just about erasing wrinkles, but about nourishing our skin from the inside out, revealing a radiant and healthy complexion that reflects our inner vitality. These masks are like whispers of wisdom passed down through generations, each ingredient carefully chosen for its unique properties. From the invigorating caffeine kick of coffee to the soothing embrace of milk and the brightening touch of cornstarch, these natural wonders work in harmony to unveil a more youthful and radiant you. Join us on this journey as we unlock the secrets of DIY anti-aging masks, empowering you to take control of your skincare and embrace the beauty of aging gracefully. Coffee, the morning elixir that awakens our senses, also holds the key to revitalizing our skin. Packed with antioxidants, coffee acts as a shield against environmental aggressors, those pesky free radicals that contribute to premature aging. But the benefits don't stop there. Coffee's caffeine content works wonders in reducing puffiness and inflammation, giving your skin a toned and youthful appearance. Its gentle exfoliating properties slough away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin beneath. Incorporating coffee into your DIY anti-aging mask is like giving your skin a shot of espresso, instantly awakening its natural radiance and vitality. Milk, a staple in many cultures, is not just a nourishing drink, but also a wellspring of skincare benefits. Rich in lactic acid, a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid, milk gently exfoliates the skin, dissolving the bonds that hold dead skin cells together. This reveals fresher, smoother skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But milk's generosity doesn't end there. It's also a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, which promotes cell turnover, and vitamin D, which aids in skin repair. These nutrients work in unison to nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling supple, soft, and revitalized. Adding milk to your DIY anti-aging mask is akin to indulging in a luxurious milk bath, enveloping your skin in its gentle, nourishing embrace. Cornstarch, a humble pantry staple, harbors remarkable skin-brightening properties. It gently absorbs excess oil and impurities, leaving your skin feeling clean and refreshed. Its fine texture acts as a natural exfoliant, gently buffing away dead skin cells to reveal a brighter complexion. Cornstarch's true magic lies in its ability to minimize the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation. By inhibiting melanin production, it helps to even out skin tone, giving you a more youthful and radiant glow. Incorporating cornstarch into your DIY anti-aging mask is like unveiling a brighter, more luminous version of yourself. Creating your own DIY anti-aging mask is a simple and rewarding process. Start with a teaspoon of instant coffee, its invigorating aroma filling your senses with anticipation. Add 2 teaspoons of milk, its creamy texture promising a soothing touch. Finally, incorporate a teaspoon of cornstarch, its fine powder holding the key to a brighter complexion. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, ensuring a smooth and lump-free consistency. The mixture should resemble a thick paste, ready to be applied generously to your face and neck. As you apply the mask, visualize its potent ingredients working their magic, rejuvenating and revitalizing your skin from within. After applying it, leave the mask on between 15 and 60 minutes, then wash off with warm water. Repeat up to 3 times per week. This simple yet powerful concoction is your personalized fountain of youth, a testament to the remarkable benefits of natural ingredients. Elevate your DIY anti-aging mask by incorporating the nourishing properties of natural oils. Flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, strengthens the skin barrier and reduces inflammation, promoting a youthful and supple appearance. Or you can use coconut oil if you don't have flaxseed oil. Coconut oil, with its antimicrobial and moisturizing properties, deeply hydrates the skin while warding off bacteria. For an extra boost of antioxidants, add a few drops of olive oil or vitamin E oil, protecting your skin from environmental damage. These oils not only enhance the mask's effectiveness, but also extend its shelf life, allowing you to enjoy its benefits for longer. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more beauty content. Thank you for watching.